so cold. I don't know what's playing right now. It's so cold out here. Look at this windshield. You notice how you can't see out of it? That's because it's frosted over. It's about 30 minutes from where I am, so I'm gonna sit here. Smart girlies are now letting their car warm up early. So I'm gonna sit here for 15 minutes and let my car warm up. So she's bundled up and I have no makeup on. So we're going as is today. Okay, I have a lot to say. I'm going to my second tour. Wish me luck. Really trying to get more comfortable with filming in public areas. So, sorry, I recognize it's low, but this is all I got. Actually, I can try. I'd be in front of my steering wheel. Okay, that's not terrible. Oops. I finished my apartment hunting tours for the day, and I only looked at 2. I will say one was run by a woman and one was ran by a man, and I could tell the difference, but the man was fine. Okay, I'd move in just for him. The first place I tried came with this little folder. She was so cute. I will drop the picture. Sorry, this is going in and out of focus. She was super cute. I loved her. Newer. The elevators were slow. I could tell off riff, which would be annoying, but grand scheme of things, I loved the apartment. I thought it was like new. The floors were light. It was sunny. It was a good vibe. I loved it. And she showed me a lot of different options. For the second place, I saw one option because they were renovating 2 of the others. So I would obviously need to make sure the one that I'm looking at is the one that I'm getting. But it was also cute. Like, it was fine. It felt like an average apartment. There was nothing really special. Both have pools, so that's good. Both have grills. Both have... I'm like getting nervous because cars are driving by. So that's it. I will chat more about it later. I will insert the videos that I took. Now it's time to call my family and talk about it. Love you guys.
If you wanted to get shoe match with Mackie.
Is this the Jonas Brothers?
It is good.
Because they have... Okay, I'm back home. The kitchen is not aesthetically pleasing because I'm actively cooking, and so things are kind of all over the place, but I have my turkey wings coming to a simmer. I'm about to make my cornbread, my lima beans, my smothered chicken, my rice. It's gonna be a good dinner here today. Okay, have my chicken marinating here. That's not a mandatory thing to do. I just decided that I wanted to, because with chicken legs, I'm already kind of weird about chicken legs, which is a story for another time. So I feel like whenever I have them, they must be seasoned properly. Okay, anyways, I am gonna get to it. I figured it's loud in here, so I figured I'd show you what I had going on though. I got my chicken searing. I don't flip, y'all, until it loosens up. Like, that one's stuck. It's not ready to flip yet. These ones were. But this one's ready now. Yep, see how she has a nice little, she's gonna be good. I'm so excited. Hold on. And then my turkey legs are in here. Oh, simmering away. Actually might turn it down just a little bit. So I'm actually gonna add the lima beans in a little and let them just fuse together, make a little fusion. Our gravy is over there. Our chicken legs are right here. And we're gonna, you know, everything is done. My rice is done. My lima beans are done. My smothered chicken is done. She looks good. My cornbread is done. She looks a little light, but she's actually perfectly cooked. So, you know, it's one of those things. Can't really control it. It's time to eat. I'm gonna cover this back up though. I just had to show you guys first. I'm so excited. No, it's not really tea, but I'm making cookies because I'm going to a cookie exchange tomorrow. And so far, I have, I'll show you, see the fridge opening, these brown butter toffee cookies. So I make them like a break and bake situation. So I put them in a plastic bag and then I break them when I'm ready. And I doubled the recipe and I have plenty to spare. So the rest are in the freezer, some are in the oven currently. And then for my second batch of cookies, I'm making my secret family, I guess, yeah, my secret family Christmas cookies. Can't tell you the recipe though. Waiting for this to get to room temperature so I can actually roll it out. Probably should have taken it out a little bit earlier, but. And then my sister, of course, for these ones, we cut them out into Christmas shapes. So growing up, we always had a Christmas tree, a gingerbread man, and a candy cane. And we also used to have, I think, a Santa Claus one. We still do. We still have all of these. And then this pack has a snowman. So I can't remember. I don't think we've ever had a snowman one, though, growing up. So yeah, I did this yesterday. I didn't record me making any of the doughs or batters or anything because there was a lot going on in here. But yes, so that's what I am about to do. And then once I'm done, I'll put them right in these containers. Here they are baking. Some of them are like not, the sizes, I gave up on the sizes, but it's okay. Hey, here they are. They look so good. I actually have one baking for myself right now as we speak. I'm gonna put the top on, bring it to work on Monday. This was supposed to go to a cookie exchange, but in the holiday fashion, as I was baking these, the cookie exchange was rescheduled. So, but luckily I did a double batch. So I have so many in the freezer. I did not bake all of them. So honestly, it kind of worked out. Now I can just spread the holiday cheer. Although I'm clearly gonna have to drive in because this is a lot of stuff to carry. But I'm proud of myself. They smell really good. I hope I didn't over bake them though, but I don't think so. Yeah, no, they're still soft. So my hands are clean, by the way. Anyways, yeah, so we're almost done, basically, all that to say. Hi, beautiful peoples. It did end up snowing, so, except it didn't snow as much as I was hoping, actually. I was kind of hoping for, like, I don't know, like a blizzard moment. I kind of wanted to be snowed in. Yeah, anyways, I hope you all enjoyed this video. I enjoyed filming it. It was a little Christmassy, a little spontaneous video that I did not plan, and I enjoyed it. So until next time, this has been an off-brand version of Vlogmas. Next year, I'll do it for real. You heard it here first, so now I have to commit to it. But yes, I hope you all have a wonderful rest of your day, and I'll see you in the next video.